Zipper 25 centimeters, 1 slider. Fabric, which will be the bias binding. Fabric 2.5 centimeters by 24 centimeters, twice. Fabric 10 centimeters by 11, lining 10 centimeters by 11. Fabric 9 centimeters by 24, lining 10 centimeters by 24. Fabric 10 centimeters by 23, twice. Lining 11 centimeters by 24, twice. Main fabric 34 centimeters by 23, lining 35 centimeters by 24 centimeters. Place the right side of the zipper with the right side of the fabric. Align the zipper along the 24 centimeter side and stitch along the edge. Place the lining right sides together with the fabric. Align the 24 centimeter side with the previously sewn zipper and stitch. Turn the lining right side out and top stitch on the fabric. Stitch close to the edge on the remaining sides. Do not sew the zipper, only the fabric. Trim thread ends and excess lining. On the 34 centimeters by 23 centimeters fabric, find the center of the 34 centimeter sides. From the 24 centimeter side, measure 8 centimeters and mark. Align the zipper with that mark and stitch. Align the fabric pieces on the 24 centimeter side and stitch together. Insert the slider from bottom to top with the sewn fabric on your right. Sew from the wrong side at the opening of the fabric with the zipper, stitching from the zipper to the corner. Trim all excess. On the 10 centimeters by 11 centimeters fabric, place the lining, same size, right sides together. Stitch one 10 centimeters side. Turn right side out and top stitch. Stitch the remaining sides close to the edge. Trim excess. Align this piece with the 10 centimeters by 23 centimeters fabric. Sew from the wrong side to join both fabric pieces. Trim excess. Align the 11 centimeters by 24 centimeters, lining with the 10 centimeters by 23 centimeters fabric, and stitch all around close to the edge. Place the 2.5 centimeters by 24 centimeters fabric as bias binding on the right side and stitch all around. Trim excess and seal thread ends. Align the 10 cm by 23 cm fabric with the 11 cm by 24 cm, lining and stitch all around. Trim all excess and seal all threads. Place the 2.5 centimeters by 24 centimeters fabric as bias binding on one of the 23 centimeters sides and stitch all around. Trim excess and seal thread ends. Align the 34 centimeters by 23 centimeters fabric with the 35 centimeters by 25 centimeters lining and stitch all around. Align the 10 centimeters by 23 centimeters fabric on the side opposite the zipper and stitch to secure. Align the second 10 centimeters by 23 centimeters fabric with the 10 centimeters by 11 centimeters piece on the opposite side and stitch. Always seal all threads. Place the 2.5 centimeters by 115 centimeters fabric as bias binding to finish the piece, stitching all around. I use straight corners, but you can slightly round them to better fit the bias. Trim the excess so both ends fit together.